One job of many is the interlocking of control commands in Cyprotec-5 using the logic editor CFC. In our example, the circuit breaker open command should not be interlocked at all, whereas the circuit breaker close command should only be allowed if there are valid positions for circuit breaker and disconnector. In case these switching elements show intermediate or invalid positions, the circuit breaker should not be able to be closed. The disconnector should not be moved if the position of any switching element is not valid and if the circuit breaker is closed. Or in other words, the circuit breaker must be open and the disconnector have a valid position. To create the logic for these interlocking conditions, we go to the folder charts. We delete the chart named interlocking, which comes from the application template and is designed for a double bus bar and therefore not suitable for us. We add a new chart, which we call again interlocking, and let it run in the task level interlocking, since our logic has no special time requirements. On the right hand side we have now the Signals tab, which provides all signals of the device which we can use in the CFC, and the tab Library, where we find all CFC elements or blocks. The circuit breaker should be closed only if circuit breaker and disconnector have a valid position. Therefore we start with the AND gate, getting it from the library via drag and drop. The valid position of a switching element can be expressed as open or closed, so we insert also two OR gates. Now we connect the OR gates with the position signals of circuit breaker and disconnector, and the result should enable the closing of the circuit breaker. The logic for the disconnector enabling looks similar. If the position is open or closed and additionally the breaker is open, we allow or enable closing and opening of the disconnector, as we can see with the signals on the right hand side. The CFC is a sequential logic. It evaluates the signals and components from left to right. Therefore, a component on the left hand side to another one must have always a lower sequence number. If you have not paid attention to this, no problem. With just one mouse click on the Optimize Chart button, Digsi-5 fixes the situation. After this, nothing more is left than compiling the chart, and we have no errors, as we can see in the information window.